One. Now let's go through the assembly of this acrylic chassis. Now this is the basic four part which you get from the kit. If this acrylic plate has a rectangular square upon it. This is the top plate of your robot. So this becomes your bottom plate. These are the two identical side plates. You will be attaching the motors in this side plates. Now this bottom plate and top plate comes on comes on each other like this, with the side plates on the sides. Now let's see the pre-assembled board first. If you can see over here, this is the bottom plate like this, and I have first connected my caster wheels over here. Let's remove this. If you remove this cap, you can see that I have used this two screws over here and the nuts to connect this caster wheel like this. There are three holes into the caster wheels, but you can easily mount just two holes. It will be a quite sturdy connection. Now this mostly ends up with your bottom connection. Now let's see the side ones. If you can see over here, this is the side plate and I have connected my motor over here. Now this connection has to be done in such a way that, like, consider this plate over here. One motor is connected inwards, whereas the another one is connected outwards. This configuration needs to be done for the compact size. Now you can see over here I have connected this motor with the help of these two screws, which makes a sturdy grip. Similarly, once you have placed the motor over here, you have to insert your wheel into this and then just tie it up. So here we have these two parts. Now if you look closely over here, this motor is not exactly in the center, but it's in the bottom side. So this is where you will be attaching your bottom plate, and this is where you will be attaching your upper plate. Now if you can see over here, I have used a double-sided tape. I have used a double-sided tape to mount my RF receivers over here, and connected my batteries, connected my motor's terminal directly into the PTR connector. So this could be a bit tricky part, but if you do it correctly, your connections will be very neat and the wires won't be able to see. Okay, once you have done this, what you have to do is you have to take your chassis bottom plate over here. Okay, now place this part over here and the another part over here like this. See this, the way I told you, the one motor will be facing outwards, the another one will be facing inwards. Once done that, you have to just place the chassis on top of it. And using a small screw over here, you have to fix this. Now this you can see over here, there are jumpers over here, there are spacers over here. You have to place this spacer on the top as well as on the bottom, so this becomes a quite secured and built robot. This is how you will be making your acrylic robot. Now if you see over here, we have certain buttons over here, switches. This switch is to turn on and off your robot. This is to turn on and off your motor driver circuitry. So basically using these two switches you can control your robot power supply. Okay, now this is basically the complete bot you have to make so as to make this model run. Okay.